Hey everyone, I went to London a few weeks back for an early birthday trip and I screamed when I saw a POP MART store. So you know, I had to go in, check out what they had, and I got this little cutie. This is the Sweet Bean I Am Here series, and of course I had to unbox it in front of Big Ben. And yes, I did buy more than one, so make sure to follow along to see which other ones I get. And we got a telephone booth. Seriously, how fitting is it that I got a telephone booth while I'm in London, unboxing it in London? So cute! Make sure to follow for more. Bye!